Hello friends in front of the screen, your Ms. Wang is here again. Seeing Ms. Wang, do you think it's time for us to talk about controllers again? Today, Ms. Wang brings you two high-end LCD series, our SDVC35 series and our SDVC341 series. Friends who have paid attention to our CUH controller must be familiar with this SDVC341. It is the new product we launched last year. It uses 128x128 high resolution, supports multi-language interaction, remote control, sensor adaptation, and it also has a voltage universal function. Whether you are 220 volts or 110 volts, you don't need to connect a transformer. It's easy to handle. In addition, it has functions such as parameter sharing and sensor universality, which also make many customers very satisfied. At the same time, our SDVC35 series is not inferior. It also can switch between Chinese, English, and German. At the same time, it has dual-channel push-pull control output, which can be used to control external devices such as solenoid valve alarm lights and work in conjunction with this controller. With the advent of these two high-end controllers, it also greatly shows that we have never stopped in technology and innovation. Follow Ms. Wang, I will take you to learn more about controllers.